In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive notes in Google Keep. If you've ever archived a note in Google Keep to tidy up your workspace and now need it back, don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. Archiving simply hides a note from your main list, keeping it safe and easy to restore. I'll walk you through bringing any archived note back into your regular notes view in just a few clicks. First, open a web browser and go to keep.google.com. Sign in if you're not already. It's a good idea to double-check you're signed in to the same Google account where the note was originally archived, especially if you use multiple accounts, so you're looking in the right place. Once you're in Google Keep, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the sidebar. This sidebar is where you can quickly jump between views like notes, reminders, and labels. For unarchiving, you'll want the Archive section. In the sidebar, click Archive. This opens a dedicated view that contains all the notes you've archived. Remember, archived notes stay in your account. They're simply removed from the main notes feed to reduce clutter, but they remain fully intact and accessible here. Find the note you want to bring back. Click the note to open it, or select it so its actions are visible. To restore it, click the Unarchive icon. Depending on your layout, it might look like a box with an arrow, or it may appear as the same Archive button you used before. Clicking it again toggles the note back to your regular notes view. As soon as you do this, the note will move out of Archive and reappear alongside your other notes on the main screen. A quick tip: even while a note is archived, Google Keep Search still includes it. That means you can search by words, phrases, or content within the note, and it will show up in the results, even though it isn't visible in the main list. This can be really helpful if you don't remember where you put something, or you just want to confirm a note is still there before unarchiving it. And that's all there is to it. Go to keep.google.com and sign in, open the menu, choose Archive, open the note you want, and click Unarchive. Your note is back in the regular notes view, ready for you to edit, pin, or organize, just like any other note.